Hello guys. Today the Rk25 meets antique tractors at the Antique Machinery Show. We set up a booth at the show for a second year in a row, and also Rk Tractors was there. They had what was called a backhoe ball. So stay tuned to the end to check it out. Here's some footage of some tractors.
Got a great field going here. Great looking tractors, old, new, and Lisa's been out here educating me on the tractors. He's got the mind been long at this point. And I tell you what, it's a great looking field. Great group of great calls going on here today. Don't forget to buy your bracelets so you can attend the tractor tour tonight. It's sponsored by the Central Kentucky Antique Machinery Association and Royal King. That's a scholarship program that's going on tonight. We've got demonstrations going on all over the place. We've got the thrashing machine going. We got demonstrations going on in the center field here. Vendors in the building, food vendors along the outside right there. Got some lemonade I've been sipping on, really enjoying. It's a nice morning for some lemonade. Stop by and see them. Produce up here at the left-hand upper corner, and we got ice cream right down in front of us. Not just
While at the show, I noticed this little tractor and the sign next to it. It's from my hometown in Claremont County, Ohio. Also, they had a car show Friday evening, and it was really cool. They had a bunch of cars. I didn't get all of them because I left, but it was really neat. Here's a few vendors and sponsors. This is our booth, Gathering Rust Hobby Farm. My wife Tracy, right there, she did a little video and she made these Rk tractor earrings and other tractor earrings. Here you can see this little video I couldn't edit. It was just what it is. These are some of the earrings she made for the event special, and then some of the others that she has made over time. She's a school teacher, so she has a lot of stuff geared toward that. But this is just a little footage of our booth, and wanted to share that with you as we're set up at this antique tractor show. Keep in mind, we do sell handcrafted soap. We sell jams and jellies. We also sell what we call cowboy candy. It is delicious, folks. Most of the berries that she uses in the jams and jellies come from our own homegrown berries right there at Gathering Rust Hobby Farm. She uses these and they are delicious. My favorite coming up right here, apple pie jam. And here's a list of what we took up there. Now, this next booth, 3 Star Industries, I really look forward to sharing this with you. They are local here in the state of Kentucky, and they produce these covers and wraps for tractors that are really neat. You can see here at the detailed work. Here's one on a UTV, and they were wonderful. We got to talk to them and really explore some options, or maybe possibly the Rk25. This is Rk Tractors. They were set up there, and again, I think they were a big sponsor of the event. This is what I was telling you about. This is called the backhoe ball, is what they called it. And the object was to pick up the ball and put it into the little tote over there. And it was a lot of fun, really neat. I think I'm going to set it up at the house here and maybe even try it at the house on our own Rk25. So it was pretty neat. Here's a demonstration of exactly how to do it. Pretty neat little event, and was happy to see that going on there. So Real King also is sponsored the tractor pull at the end, but let's check these little kids out right here. These little kids had a little tractor pull. It's called a pedal pull. So check this out right here. Pretty neat.
This little guy too. He's all smiles coming down there to cheer him on. We're going for the pull just a little bit farther. You can do it. You can do it. Pull. Everybody give him a round of applause. All right. I think he struggled more with getting off the tractor than he did making the full pull. Pedal, pedal, pedal. We got this. He's going to make a full pull of it. 3 years old, everybody getting up here giving it his all. Look at him go. Yay.
Look how easy it is.
Pedal, pedal, pedal. Cheer on, everybody. Cheer on. And look at there, full pass. She did.
Like I said, these kids had a lot of fun with this little pedal pull. Great event. Here is the Battle of the Bluegrass series that Rk25 sponsored. And I got a few little clips while I was at the event. Again, here's some of the tractors they had set up there, just to display the Rk tractors. But like I said, here's a few little clips of what I had, and hope you enjoy.
Cancer took the paint that boy. It looks good. He done an excellent job. Mike Avens out of Sharpsburg, Kentucky, Shop Dog.
Now that was a lot of fun. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I want to mention here that Gathering Rust Hobby Farm is not sponsored in any way. We enjoyed the show and we decided to put out a little video of what we experienced. Well, we thank you for watching here at Gathering Rust Hobby Farm and hope to see you back again.